one of the things I try to do for students is make assignments very easy to access. And so one of the challenges that I found with many of our community college students, and I'm sure that this is also common across the board, is really the digital divide that we, are experiencing in education. And so for me, it's important to ensure that assignments are accessible within the learning management system rather than sending students here, there, and everywhere, so that they can when they have their time, and sometimes it's in Starbucks on Wi-Fi, they can log into one place and everything is there. Everything that they need is there so that they can complete an assignment. And so what I've done is I've mined different documents or different images and resources from World History Commons, and I'll essentially, with the images, I will download the images and then I'll embed them in, we use Canvas, but I've also done it in Blackboard, so you can do it in any LMS, but I've embedded the image and then I'll include the text. The nice thing about OER is that you don't just have to reuse things as they are. You have the opportunity to revise and modify any of these sources and remix them and make them your own. And so I can bring those together. I can copy and paste, of course, attribute where the source is from, but copy and paste any text that I want, edit it, and create a cohesive assignment that is basically just all in one place, so that students can, for example, look at two images, read the excerpt that's describing the images, and then at the bottom, I'll typically have some questions for them to consider when they're analyzing them, and then they can respond right there in the LMS. So you can also do this if you're not using a learning management system. You can also just do this on paper. So you can create handouts doing the same thing, downloading and images, downloading text, copy and pasting and editing, and there you go. You've got a handout. Thanks to the 5 R's of OER: retaining, reusing, revising, remixing, and redistributing.